guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're going to show you how to drill holes in a bumper for a side-by-side to add your turn signal lights or any accessory lights that you might want for trail safety or, in our case, riding on the street. We are using these little 3/4 inch pod lights. You just drill a hole, pop them in. We're going to show you guys how to run wire through the bumper. We're going to do two bumpers, but in the video we're only going to do one because they're basically the same bumper front and back, and it's going to cover both. So we'll have links down in the description for a cheap turn signal kit that we've been using on all of our machines and friends' machines and haven't had an issue with. At the time of this video, it's right around 29 to 30 bucks shipped to your door, so you really can't beat them. We like them and it keeps us legal. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do that, make sure you go down and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss all the cool stuff that's coming out, and click the bell, because if you don't click the bell, you'll miss some of the cool videos. YouTube won't let you know. But make sure you hit that like button so YouTube knows that we're good folks around here and we make good content. Now let's get to drilling some holes and we'll explain how we measured it out. Alright guys, now we took our tape measure and our permanent marker and we found ourselves a center line the best we could, and then we marked 1, 3, and 5. 1 inch, 3 inch, 5 inch. And that's basically going to allow us to mount 3 lights, so we're definitely visible. We're going to use a step bit from Harbor Freight because it's the most easiest and cheap. The bits are cheap and they work good, but it's the most easiest way to drill the hole. And you're going to want to grab yourself a punch so we can punch our center. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do that to the other side also. We're going to get our stepper bit here. Alright guys, now that we got our holes drilled, you want to take these rubber grommets and plop them in there. And then you take your wire and you feed it. We're going to do, grab our pick. We're going to take it and feed it through like that. And you just work your lights in, like so. They'll go. Just got to push them. Okay, see that? Now guys, he's actually getting different lights. So these are just to show you guys. He's getting the same lights but different color. So otherwise, see these, we would have to orientate these in this direction. So now you're going to want to get you some of these, and we'll show you how to use them here in a minute. I'll have a link down in the description as to where you can get these. They're pretty cheap to pick up. Going to want a set of crimpers. These are just cheapy ones, but they work. And you're going to want a set of wire cutters. These ones are Pittsburgh, but they work. I'll have links down in the description to all this. Make sure you get down below and check those out. Now we're going to take our wire and we're going to feed it through here. We're going to take our pick down in this hole. And we're going to take that wire. We're going to cut it. And we're going to take our black and our red. We're going to zip tie them together. We're going to take this, we're going to pull it on through. Alright. Now I can safely take these and cut them. We're going to take our third light. Strip it. just like so. Strip all your wires. Take all your blacks on your light pods. Put them together. Get yourself a heat shrink connector. Crimp it on there. Take all your whites, heat shrink connector. Blue one. Crimp it on there. Now, this is where it gets tricky for you. On your Chinese lights, your white is ground and your black is positive. So you're going to run your ground to your white. And your hot to your black. Alright, we got those in there. Now we're going to take it all and we're going to try to tuck it away. We're going to finish up the rest and we'll be right back with you. So there you go, guys. Nice clean install. No welding, no cutting.
Some drilling.
Some drilling. But yeah, there you go. They look nice. And all the wires is hidden. They go through the bumper. Right back here where I showed you guys where they go. Look at that. Me knocking them off the battery. But look, this is what they're going to look like. Kind of like that. Nick likes his to do this.
Not that fast. That's yours.
Yeah, mine does.
Mine's regular LED blinker. Yeah, they actually look pretty good.
There you go, guys. If you can guess what bumper this is for, leave it down in the comments section. Because I'm sure you could guess. And the front one is real similar, so it'll be done the same way. We're not going to do that one on video. No need. So make sure you check out the description down below as to where you can get these lights. And like I said, I'll have switches and I'll have flashers down in there for you to pick from too. So check those out. But in the meantime, why don't you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. We got to get subscribers. We got to grow the channel. We got to let YouTube know we're good people around here. And I hope Nick likes his bumper.
Oh yeah, I do like them.
So they turned out good. Not bad for a newbie. All right, guys. Redneck Garage is out. We'll talk at you later. Peace.